Yeah, man. Woohoo! So, 94 Brahman Gang, Mr. Ab reaction. I don't have time to be announcing my name. I don't know the new guy. So, exclusive. Rowan Tega now comes to Vonamkara. Of one direction, Karina, not what is known. I busy, I mean, as you call, I mean, I'm sure, and I mean, so. I don't need the but yeah, man, don't be an Musa never walk here one another one. Track with the film Venda to Kappa by Jerk Player and a Rootkit Venda. You know, we don't waste time. Again, I'm eating lace because I want to lay this track out and lay it on a plate for you. Let's get it, man.
Yeah. What's happening?
Oh, Jero goes to what's happening. So, soon as we take is because we are lace passing, and then we're focusing on this track, right? That's what's happening. Correct track and the event to happen at Banga Friday. I'm sure, but when you don't know video, but they will know whenever don't to but yeah, man, let's get to it, man.
Get it.
So, one thing I had to tell you that day, so anybody could work hard. I think in 2 to 3 years, right? 2 to 3 years. So, Rootkit Venda na Jerk Player, Nikariwa, whatever, like in the car, the friends, like in the bro. Before, I think I was one about Jerk when I want them to, like, if I think I'm going to Kalanga bed. Yeah, but Jerk Kala, you did to a so, like, if I don't bakobvane phala then baje alright zinona bacheka ndozuri hayi muziki uko bashumela iko dilatoratory kina nasitunga zituku ngizona bakothoma yangela ngisathi before ukukhiza thathu thumeta mafungo azwikwiti you know what I mean nazote. So these guys were friends from way back. Now I'm sure wakadazi friends, maybe not so close like they were back then, but I'm sure wakadazi friends. So this track zinozabona ngayo ndizori well ngizona then Jerk Player way back at the shelf, but then now so first maybe it's the right time in. So what I wanted to bring up and listen to the beat and listen to the quality of the song. I be angle kudwakari ingle kudos no you know because in a quality of the man that India would be nice. Listen to the woman. I'm on my way from Venda to Kappa and Cape Town, for those who don't know, right? Kappa and Cape Town. So from Venda to Kappa and ndiko vapa Kappa don't have the wrong man the ranje kongwana so ndiko Venda unaboli kanji with the round Mahayan. Let's be honest, going to Mahayana, if you go to Cape Town, it's a big city, right? So I'm on my way from Venda to Kappa. I wonder how urbanization. Urbanization, movement of people from rural to urban areas. Move from rural areas to urban. Panda ninge or now so when you panda there's more opportunities than happen. So he's on his way from where? From Venda to Kappa with Uyushuma. So in other words, Angadiva reference like I'm on my way Kaune Abahon, like when I started my podcast, right? Oh, not podcast. When I did my reaction, my channel, you waste na mood, right? And then that's these are the views now, but we just posted, right? We posted, and it's we posted, it was not quality, we posted, right? But then that was me starting my way, can't go to from Venda to where? To Kappa. Right? But now because we don't 6,000 subscribers and don't 4,000 hours, YouTube be a video, advertisement. So I've moved from my Venda to Kappa. Now the question is, am I happy? You know, but I'm still on my way, you know, up. Na end so kwamba kamuzika or he is on his way from Venda to Kappa. La mondera une aba hone kamuzika wawe. Akunya kuzura avenda pedzi inikasela muzika. Unya ngora muzika ukono kufana guy na Cape Town. Ngabathu bana abadibina zo Venda the guy. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm on my way. From Venda to Kapa.
From Venda to Kapa. I'm on my way.
At the farmer. Okay.
I need the money to pay my bills. I'm talking money. That's all I need. Conrad the shot. Zaka does the gig. Nyabaloka, I'm the god.
Conrad the shot. Zaka does the gig. Okay, Conrad the shot. So when you shot Tim Tonara, right? They don't go to but I don't drink alcohol, so I might be wrong. So don't too safe in the wrong. But then the shots, this was never to as a share comes with like genie, you know, on the bangashara genie on those small cups, right? Call it short cups, and the what they right? Conrad the shots. Zaka yazugidi, so zugidinga chere de yachivenda, which come what 1,000, right? That in the gid, I chere venda 1,000 in the gid. So actually, Zaka gid, no, they're called 1,000. And then it's gidi shoot the shots of now gonna mean ako una, so you get the references, right?
Pay my bills, I'm talking money. That's all I need.
All I need.
Conrad the shot. Zaka does the gig. Nyabaloka, I'm the god. And then the fire Nike. I keep on grinding all over. Don't get money, get over. Batakati kondola. Bako jiga haikona. I came from zero to hero. Uya shisa no lilo. I was born to be a hustler, but I'm empty, they know. Look at my way, I'm different.
For me, I was born to be a hustler, but I'm empty. If I'm empty, they know. Empty, I come by empty, or like. But I know the first of me, I'm what because I actually with the empty, the hustler. So, I'm going to
Takati kondola, bako jiga haikona. I came from zero to hero.
Bako jiga high corner. Bako jiga high corner. High corner. So ukwamba like bako jiga kuna yanta, right? Bako jiga high corner, but then high corner do yambo high man. Bako jiga high corner ngondela bako jiga ngoba kuzoba ngasiwini, bako ndo bazo high mara bali ngasiwini apa. Vitamin bajiga mara bako jiga high corner, bako jiga kuna yantangi. Okay, glad. I'm glad to do some rap.
Bako jiga haikona, I came from zero to hero. Uya shisa no lilo. I was born to be a hustler, but I'm empty, they know. Look at my way, I'm different. Yeah, I'm balling again. Nigga ain't got no friends. Bako blow one more yet to friend. Fully maling and bad.
Hey, yo, blow, I'm not a first line. This is only a guy, but yeah, about a fan of blow and muya, you know. I think we're not a bad. This is a guy, I'm not a bad line of your blow and muya, I mean, there.
Nigga ain't got no friends. Bako blow one more yet to friend. Fully maling and bad. Put that paper and a pen. Yeah, I'm balling again. Nimbi running again. I'm on my way. From Venda to Kapa. I'm on my way. From Venda to Kapa.
Hey.
I'm on my way. From Venda to Kapa. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Wanna make money a day.
Road kid before quit.
I'm on my way.
Road kid before the German is it then?
I'm on my
Road kid before Mbebe Green. Road kid before the Mangina.
I'm on my way. Wanna make money a day. I'm on
Road kid before Nampona.
my way. You better me. Kupana go fika but cover na be on a routine. Wanna make money.
At this on the meaning, unamu ungo ne wakona surface of this unakuzuyamba like this echo. Inenda kuifa kaka like not much challenging amanda. Maybe when I'm almost for with the Apple can't because the recording here, right? But then when I start to listen to it, like this so but yeah, let's hope I'll catch something as we go on.
I know it's funny at that. I go hard never at that. During a ticket in my children and the Koyaka. The Koyashima, which you go to Toronto, the Pandaza. The Profita Calibiti Bako Lunga di Papa.
Ndaprofita kali beat wako ngandi papa. Ndamba ngo kali beat ndarap ndakila beat baba ngandi ndi papa Bushir. Bana ba Bushir ba guy na.
Chaporofita kalibiti bako bononga di papa. Say this quiet sound is I'm a bad. Babononga de masaka. I wasn't born in the city, but I'm a tell you when the most. I didn't have any maroon, you know the better than the coach, you might not have to tell about it. Getting all in money, the body sound on naughty. In me, come back up and cry, I never in the shit. I'm on my way. From Bella to Kappa. I'm on my way. From Bella to Kappa. I'm on my way. From Bella to
You know, guys, I didn't manage to catch many bars, Carrot Kid. But even the song, and then Abangai, right? Like the concept of the song, as new whatever comes from the punchline. I mean, it's a more like affirmation song, right? Okay, I'm going this side to do this. I'm gonna be working this hard. I'm gonna be, you know. So the song when that comes from the hey, ninya jina guy, mini guy, or mini guy, guys, punchline as a metaphors. Nah. No need. And then he was rapping fast and never got so catch as a bell until going up first things is gone.
I'm on my way from Bella to Kappa. I'm on my way for your panasa. I'm on my way. Wanna make money a day. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. No go better than day. I'm on my way. Wanna make money a day. I'm on my way.
From Bimba to Kappa, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. That this beat reminds you of MT song. Tum, 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 tum. Hey man. Tum, tum, tum. I can't remember the group, but a beat it talking about MT man. Is she tripping? Leave the beach alone? I think maybe, but I'm not sure. It might be. Yeah, man, that was Jack Player, Venda to Kappa, and Rootkid Venda Trekke. In a way of Bangalap, Tiko Bangalap, 19. The April 2024, 94 Bramangang, Mr. Reaction. And guys, maybe comes no wasn't because Tunya got number and Tango because you know I'm not in my place right now and it's somewhere that we know about to but neighbor I mean as well. So until maybe you know a place and guys chapter those who up and the hangar in the woods that in dote. That's why we're gonna like have more videos na mina zote because even I'm gonna go dinner but as chipundo chindi ni big so but I'll try back here more na mina zote but yeah man 94 bro my name is the Breaction and out.